Hey guys, welcome back to Aveda's channel. My name is Hiliana and I create beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. I'm so excited to be partnering up with Aveda for this video, and today I'm going to show you guys what Aveda products I use to achieve sleek and shiny hair. After washing my hair, I then apply the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. This is a leave-in treatment that repairs and protects hair from heat styling. One thing I love about Aveda products is that they have their own pure fume. It smells like a spa when you're applying these products to your hair. Next, I'm applying the Aveda Smooth Infusion Glossing Straightener. Since I have wavy hair, this helps straighten, polish, and protect my hair from heat damage. Also, it provides 12-hour humidity defense. And after I apply both products, I then comb my hair to make sure the products are evenly distributed. Depending on how busy my day is, if I don't have any events or filming to do, I let my hair air dry. If I do have videos to film and events to attend, I dry my hair with a blow dryer to speed up the process. After my hair is dry, I then part my hair. I start working from the bottom to the top and from the back to the front. After I part my hair, I then comb through the section that I'm going to be styling. When flat ironing my hair, the temperature is set at 390 and I work in small sections. The reason why I like to work in small sections is because I like to pass the flat iron once or twice max to keep the integrity of my hair. This is how I'm able to enjoy a sleek, straight look while maintaining healthy hair. Also, it's about the products that you use. I have wavy hair, so I use products for my hair type and also products that will help prep my hair for the style that I'm trying to achieve. That's why I love using Aveda products, because you will find a product that is for your hair type. That's why today I use the Damage Remedy and the Smooth Fusion Glossy Straightener, because it helps girls with waves and curls straighten their hair but yet still protect it when using heat tools. And if you want to learn more about Aveda products, you can look online, or better yet, visit an Aveda salon, get a hair treatment, have a girls' day, and there you can get product recommendations for your hair type. Guys, do you see the shine? My hair is looking shiny and sleek and I'm absolutely loving it. Woo, look at that. We're almost done styling and this is the final result. Healthy looking, sleek hair that you can run your fingers through, and the shine. I'm obsessed with the shine and my hair smells so good, and this is how I achieve my sleek, straight hair. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. All of the products I used will be linked down below and you can purchase them at your nearest Aveda salon or online. If you love Aveda products as much as I do, click that subscribe button so you don't miss any of their beauty tips. And give this video a thumbs up. I'm sending you love and light and positive vibes your way, and as always, stay fabulous.